Oh. Hi everyone, if you're watching this, good for you, but that's awkward. Hi everyone, if you're watching this, good for you. This week I actually got a tripod. Yay! So this is my first week of filming with a tripod. Welcome to my little sewing nook corner in our apartment. This is my little corner. It's kind of set up. I really need a lot more space, but this will do for now. So yay for introducing you to my space, and let's get on with the video. So I am using this design that says POW from the therapy packs, but as you can see there's a circle around here on the original design. So I'm just going to bring it into Embellish Maker, and it's really easy. I'm just pulling it off of my USB stick, and I'm going to go ahead and delete those circles right outside that we don't need. This is for a little ice pack type design, so we don't need those circles. I just want the design. So once that's finished, I'm saving it out. And then I'm going to go ahead and transfer that back into my machine. You can see the old design up on the screen. I'm going to go ahead and delete that and import the new design that's on my USB stick. And you can see there's no circles. Yay! So now we are going to start embroidering. I have hooped my fabric with Foolproof repositionable webbing on the back of here. And I'm going to go ahead and stitch that out. And guys, guess what? I messed up. I forgot to put topper on. So before I go any further, I am putting my rinse away clear topper right on top of there. It's okay. Nobody's perfect. Thankfully I didn't have to start over because I just kind of did the first couple stitches. So I corrected that and added my topper. And I'm sewing with these gorgeous matte threads. I'm going to put the names of each thread that I used in my blog post. There will be a link to that down in the description below. So make sure you check that out. Once my design is done, we're going to take it off the machine, and I'm going to get this out of my hoop and tear away the larger portion of the topper. And I'm going in with my vinyl weeding tool to just kind of get out the smaller bits. I could put this in water, but then it has to dry, so this is just quicker and easier for me to remove it with this tool like that. Once that's done, I'm just cutting down my fabric. I ended up cutting this in a 4" by 7.5" rectangle, and I'm also cutting my back fabric that side too. And I'm just making sure they fit together, and I'm using my first one as a little template. You're going to pin it right sides together, you know the drill, and then go ahead and sew it. Make sure you leave about 1.5 to 2 inches open somewhere along the sides so that you can stuff your toy with. Don't forget that. So once that's done, I'm just trimming off the excess fabric around the sides so it's not so bulky when I turn it right sides out. And I'm going to go ahead and turn it right sides out. I hate doing this. This is my least favorite part. But I grabbed the vinyl weeding tool again, and I used the back end to help me turn out those corners to make them look a little bit better. Because everyone knows corners are hard to turn out. Once that's done, I'm just stuffing it, and this is kind of embarrassing, but I didn't have any stuffing and I didn't want to run to the store, so I grabbed an old pillow and I murdered it and I took some stuffing out. But it's fine because I put it back together again and you can't even tell. So I used stuffing, and I'm putting catnip right in the middle of this. And then when it's done, try not to overstuff it. I definitely overstuffed mine, but just pin up the top and sew it closed, and there you go. And here's little Floyd with his toy. He's not really sure what to think. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate your views and supports over here. Drop a comment down below if you have anything Drop a comment down below if you have anything specific that you want me to make next week.